The country's first light rail transit provider continues to be among leaders in the modernization of local railway services. Motoring Forum tackles the significance of the developments in the LRT-1 Baclaran depot extension.
Construction work on the physical structures for the LRT-1 Baclaran depot expansion project is now complete. To mark the achievement, an inauguration ceremony for the expanded depot was held by the Transportation Department and the Light Rail Transit Authority and attended by representatives from the Embassy of Japan, Japan International Cooperation Agency or JICA, and Pasay City local government. The expansion project was funded through an official development assistance from JICA. The expansion added 4.2 hectares to the 6.4 hectare Baclaran depot of the LRT-1 for more rail tracks and maintenance facilities for train sets. With the civil works for added portions of the Baclaran depot complete, attention is now focused on the installation of the electromechanical and rail systems, which include traction power supply, overhead catenary systems, and railroad tracks. The expansion of the Baclaran depot is meant to complement the LRT-1 Cavite extension project as well as plans to upgrade and further modernize the LRT-1 fleet of trains and operations. According to Light Rail Manila Corporation or LRMC President and CEO Juan Alfonso, the expanded LRT-1 Baclaran depot will add 21 stabling and maintenance tracks to the existing 45, increasing the depot's stabling capacity from 130 to 182 light rail vehicles or LRVs. The expansion will also help facilitate the movement of trains, providing more space for ingress and egress of trains at the depot, allowing for faster turnaround of train sets. The depot will be able to accommodate the aging Generations 1, 2, and 3 LRVs as well as the Generation 4B acquired for the LRT-1 Cavite Extension project as well as for the present LRT-1 service. Already, 20 new Gen 4 train sets out of the 30 ordered have already arrived in the Philippines. The LRMC reports that the recently completed upgrading to the new LRT-1 signaling system will facilitate the testing, commissioning, and operation for revenue service of the 4th generation train sets. The Gen 4 train sets are targeted to be deployed into service at the LRT-1 by the middle of 2022, after completing the necessary safety checks, inspections, test runs with minimum kilometers, and acceptance tests, which are also planned to be used for the LRT-1 Cavite extension service to Bacoor, which as of January this year was 69% complete. During the inauguration of the expanded Baclaran depot, Alfonso said the LRMC shares the vision of the government to modernize the country's railway systems and to raise the bar of service excellence in public transport.
The LRT-1 is the oldest of the Metro's modern light rail transit systems, but with the rehabilitation and upgrading of rail facilities, the laying of new tracks, the installation of brand new signaling equipment, as well as the acquisition of the latest generation light rail vehicles, it should remain as among the most advanced. That's our Motoring Forum this week, courtesy of Suzuki Philippines.